I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the sheet so formulas behave predictably. Make sure key cells use appropriate formats, number, date, or text. Then type equals into the target cell and click the first cell you want to include. That creates a live reference. You can use auto sum for quick totals or type simple arithmetic like equals A1 plus B1. Once entered, press enter. If you need a fixed reference, press F4 to toggle the $ absolute markers. That keeps cells constant when copying. Now you expand formulas into real logic. Learn why IF controls branching and how SUM combined with IF can condition totals. For lookups, prefer XLOOKUP where available, otherwise use index and match to avoid limits of older functions. You can nest functions, but keep them readable, break complex formulas into helper columns when needed. Use the formula bar to edit and highlight parts. Excel previews results for each nested section. Once done, copy with intent. Absolute refs versus relative refs change behavior when pasted. You finish by validating and optimizing every formula. Run Evaluate Formula to step through calculations and trace precedents to see dependent cells. These tools show why a result is wrong. If you see #ref or hash value, check deleted ranges and mismatch types. Replace problematic references or wrap with IFER for graceful fallback. To speed large workbooks, limit volatile functions and use specific ranges instead of entire columns. Make sure to recalculate F9 and save a backup before major changes. This one tip avoids lost work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.